took her back to my place, feeling guilty, feeling scared, hidden cameras everywhere. Stop! Hold on. Stay in control. Girl, I want you here with me, but I'm really not as cool as I'd like to be. 'Cause there's a red under my bed, and there's a little yellow man in my head, and there's a true blue inside of me that keeps stopping me, touching you, wanting you, loving you. Paranoia, the destroyer. Paranoia, the destroyer. Well, I fell asleep, then I woke feeling kinda queer. Lola looked at me and said, "Ooh, you look so weird." She said, "Man, there's really something wrong with you. One day you're gonna self-destruct. You're up, you're down, I can't work you out. You get a good thing going, then you blow yourself out. Silly boy, you self-destroyer. Silly boy, you self-destroyer. Silly boy, you got so much to live for, so much to aim for, so much to try for. You're blowing all with paranoia. You're so insecure, you self-destroyer. And it goes like this, here it goes. Paranoia, the destroyer. Here it goes again. Paranoia, the destroyer. Doctor, doctor, help me please, I know you'll understand. There's a time device inside of me, I'm a self-destructing man. There's a red under my bed, and there's a